Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the ICT SONS model. All right, so ICT SONS model is a trading concept built around understanding how price moves in a very structured way during a single trading session. All right, the idea is that the market often follows a predictable sequence. First, it builds liquidity, then it takes out that liquidity, and finally, it makes the real move. Right? You build some liquidity, you take out that liquidity, and then you make the real move. Right? So the first step in the model is liquidity formation, right? This usually happens when price moves sideways, right? Or, creates equal highs and equal lows. Now, during this phase, many traders place stop losses in obvious areas, right? Which creates a pool of liquidity in the market. Now, the second step is the liquidity sweep, okay? Price suddenly moves above a high or below a low, triggering the stop losses. Imagine you had entered the buy trade around here and then set your stop loss here. Well, you would have gotten stopped out, right? So to most traders, this looks like the start of a new trend. But in this model, that move is often just the market collecting liquidity before moving in the opposite direction. Then the final step is the real price move, where the market forms a clearer trend after the liquidity has been taken. Okay, so traders using this model don't focus on predicting the market. Instead, they wait for the liquidity sweep first, then look for confirmation before entering a trade. This approach is especially popular among traders who focus on market structure and price behavior rather than relying heavily on indicators. So in simple terms, ICT SONS model teaches traders to wait for the market to show its intention before making a decision. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.